Come on, Chad. He's got to shake it. Has he got it?
He's got him.
Is he in?
He's in. He's opened him.
Let him have the rest. Let him have the rest.
Yeah.
That is a good dog.